This is a demonstration of our AI-powered Georeferencer, which can automatically georeference your maps. Let me show you our current prototype by loading a topographic map of Hawaii. As you can see, this is a flat image with no projections attached. Opening it in QGIS shows it has no coordinates in the file. One thing to note, this map displays position coordinates around the edge of the image, which our system will use as a reference when placing it on the map. Now, here is our prototype tool, where we can drag and drop the image. We just have to hit Start Georeferencing, and the magic will begin. It's important to understand our system learns best from different styles of maps. Ones like this, which are topographic with clear, defined structures, are easier for the system to pick up where it needs to be placed. Maps with coordinates and naming clues also help. As we continue to work on things, the kinds of maps the system can georeference will begin to increase. And just like that, our map is georeferenced. If we throw it into QGIS, we can see it's been accurately georeferenced. We can test the accuracy by measuring it and doing some quick calculations. Now, this is still an in-development product, but we hope it's a good glimpse of what's to come in the world of georeferencing. In the future, we hope to bring truly automated georeferencing to everyone through tools like today's prototype. Right now, you can use a point-based system we've developed on our website, Georeferencer.ai, which gives you free access to easy georeferencing. Give it a try.